Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff, and my channel is all about beauty and lifestyle. I'm a full-time mom, wife, and esthetician. So if that sparks any of your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. But because we are in Glamoween, I am posting every Monday and Friday. As for today's videos, if you guys can see, we are recreating this queen bee look. We used maybe tops 4 products to create this look. It was super easy. I know this part looks a little intimidating, but I promise you it's not that hard and you can do it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching my video. We are not going to be putting on any foundation because most of this is going to be a lot of artwork. Tired. Be real honest with you guys, I do not want to do this today. I'm just so tired. But second to last video of Glamoween, we are not giving up now. We're just gonna go easy, get started on doing like the black and yellow lines. Let's just outline this with the white, okay? It's kind of showing more of like a clown bee look. I don't know why everything's more of like, everything I think about it's like a clown, but it really is. So that is our outline. We're just gonna create a separation. I'm just gonna kind of mark everything with white of what I want to be black. It makes so much more sense now. Going with my Makeup Forever Flash Color Case, we are just gonna grab the yellow in there. I think that's more of an orange, which sucks because now I have to mix colors. I really am not feeling it at all. So I just grabbed some yellow and white, but that's perfect. So now that we have the yellow, we're gonna grab a yellow eyeshadow and we're just gonna set it. So we already set the yellow in. We're gonna go in with the black now. Now that we did that, we are just gonna outline the entire part. Then we'll set it with black eyeshadow. So I already filled in, I already set it with black eyeshadow. This is pretty much done. Symmetry is not that great, but it'll do. We're just gonna work on our nose before we start the actual hard part. I'm gonna just cover my nose in yellow. We can just do it with our finger. There we go. And we are gonna grab like an orangey color and put that right there. It's best when you grab it with your finger. It comes out more pigmented than the blending brush. Now we're gonna start the hard part. We are just gonna go and work with a brown liner and create hexagons. We're gonna create the little beehive over here. So we're gonna start on our eyebrow. And we're just gonna keep creating this until we get one. finished creating the little boxes. Now we are just gonna go in with our flash color case palette. There is like a goldish color, which that's what I'm gonna use to create this. Actually, first we are gonna create the bee. We're gonna make the little head right here. This is my first time actually creating a bee. Bear with me. We are gonna grab this yellow. We're gonna add the wing. Now we're gonna go in with the gold and fill these boxes in. Now we are just gonna grab an easy brown, kind of just smoke this part of our eye out. Now we just need to add some highlight to it. We're gonna drip this down. I'm gonna add this like orangey brown. Add some highlights again. We are just going to add some of that color and just kind of blend all of this out. We're going to add our liner. We're gonna go in with that brown again and kind of fill this in. We're gonna grab that gold again that we used on this and add it right here. And then we're gonna grab a powdered yellow and just go around our mouth. So as for the face, we are officially done. We just need to add some lashes, but I am going to keep going and create a bigger bee on my neck. I'm gonna go put some lashes on, fix my hair a little bit, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It came out so good. This is definitely giving clown bee type of vibes. It's super cute, super yellow. I didn't have to use many products. If you need something simple to do, this is definitely it. I promise you, it is not that difficult to do. I gave myself 2 little space buns up here to give it more of that, I don't know, clown childish vibes. You can do your hair however you like. You can add a little crown for like queen bee. We have 1 more episode left and then Glamoween is officially over, you guys. It has been a journey. I wasn't in the mood to do my makeup today and I'm still kind of over it, but I'm glad we did it. We didn't give up. We're sticking to Glamoween. And for the last episode, just stay tuned because it is a good one. And I'm actually going to use that for a Halloween party. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre Cherrebeautique. And I will be back with more videos.